Hello, today I'd like to demonstrate the River Country Products Sleep Combo Pack. When you first get the Sleep Combo Pack, it's going to come in a box like this. When you open up the box, you'll find your sleeping bag, a sleeping pad and pillow along with a couple repair patches, and your instruction manual. When you arrive at camp, the first thing that you'll want to do is pull out your pillow. Your pillow doubles as a pump for the pad, and it's self-inflating. And so you'll want to let it self-inflate for a little while before using it as a pad. To do that, we recommend opening it up and even maybe blowing a couple breaths of air into it. And then closing it back up. And setting that aside while you set up camp and letting the self-inflating pad inside expand. After you've let the pillow expand for about 10 minutes, you'll find that it compresses well and can be used as a pump. At this time, you're ready to unpack your sleeping pad. Pull your sleeping pad out and unroll it. When you go to fill up your sleeping pad, you're going to want to make sure that the valve on the sleeping pad is facing down and that the valve and the air intake on the pillow are facing up. You connect the pillow to the pad like this, and then you're ready to start pumping up your pad. After you get the pad straight and you're ready to start pumping up the pad, all you have to do is push down with both hands, and it takes about 20 pumps. And you can tell it's full because you can hear the air's not going in now when I press, and it's pretty firm to the touch. At this point, disconnect the pillow pump and reconnect the back valve to the pad. After you've pumped up the pad, you'll want to get the pillow the way you want it. I like to sleep on the self-inflating cushion inside more than I like to sleep on air. And so I actually squeeze a little bit of air out of the pillow so that I can, and I find that to be a more comfortable pillow. Some people like a really firm pillow. And in that case, you might want to blow a little bit of air into it. This side is a soft velvety material. It's very comfortable to lay on. This is a more firm, more rigid material on the back. Same with the sleeping pad. You'll find that the sleeping pad has a soft, quieter, stretchy material on the front and a more firm, rigid material on the back. If you like a firmer mattress, you might want to lay with the green side up. You might want to lay with the gray side up if you like a softer mattress. After you get the pillow and the pump the way you want it, you're ready to pull out your sleeping bag. The sleeping bag comes in a compression sack, and you can compress this pretty small. And that should fit in most anybody's backpack. So after you get to camp, uncompress your sleeping bag, take it out. The sleeping bag comes with a strap on the back. You'll find the zipper nice and quiet, so if you get up in the middle of the night, you're not going to wake the whole camp up when you zip up the sleeping bag. It comes with a bevel inside to keep the heat in on both the bottom and the top. There's a cord over here so that you can pull it nice and tight around your face as a mummy bag. To attach the sleeping bag to the pad, put the strap around the pad like so, and that'll hold the sleeping bag in position. It also has a little pocket at the top, and a little pocket at the feet. And so between the pocket at the top, the middle strap, and the feet pocket, the pad stays securely in place while you're sleeping. The foot has extended oversized foot box to keep your feet more comfortable. You can either sleep with the pad on the bottom, connected the way you see it here, or this is the large sleeping bag. And with the large sleeping bag, the pad fits just fine inside the sleeping bag, and this is the way I like to sleep, and I'm 6'4" and over 200 pounds. And I fit in this sleeping bag just fine, even with the pad inside the bag. As I mentioned, my favorite way to sleep in the sleep combo system is to sleep inside, is to put the sleeping pad inside the sleeping bag. And you'll see that even though I'm 6'4" and more than 200 pounds, I can zip myself in comfortably and either sleep on my back or on my side. I'm a side sleeper. The other option is to put the strap around the sleeping pad and put the pockets at the top and the bottom around the sleeping pad, and to put the sleeping pad underneath you when you sleep. And with the pad underneath me, there's still plenty of room to sleep on my back, or to sleep on my side, or to pull the cinch cord and cinch myself into the night. The sleeping pad, the pillow, and the bag are all lightweight. The sleeping pillow weighs in at just over 4 ounces. The sleeping pad weighs in at 18 ounces. And the sleeping bag weighs in at 2 pounds, 9 ounces. The pad comes with a 2-year warranty, so if you have any problems with the pad, please feel free to contact us via our website or our email address. We also sell a sleep combo with our Trekker Pad Lite, which you'll see behind me. The Trekker Pad Lite is thicker than our other pad. It also comes with a heat reflective material and more chambers inside, and so it has a higher R value than our other pad. It also comes in at 16 ounces, which is a couple ounces lighter than our other pad. Some people find this pad more comfortable because it's thicker. I personally like this pad better because of the soft, stretchy top material. Our main tip on all sleeping pads is don't overinflate the sleeping pad. All sleeping pads have inner chambers which help them keep their form and their shape. And if you overinflate the sleeping pad, those chambers will start to pull apart, and that's often how leaks are caused in sleeping pads, is overinflating the pad. When it comes time to put the pad away, it's super easy. The pillow, you just compress while you're rolling it up, squeeze all the air out, and after you get the air out, you can close the valve back up, and it will hold its position pretty well. And you can just stick that back in the bag that it came in. The sleeping pad, to deflate it, there's a little air valve inside that you have to push in. I like to hold that open with a clean stake, something that isn't too pokey. I just set it in there. To roll the pad, I fold it into fourths. Then I run my hand along the pad to get any air out, and it goes out very quickly and easily. And then I do that the second time, and while I'm doing it the second time, I start folding it up. And then from here, and I close the valve to keep any moisture and air out. After you've got it rolled up, it should fit neatly back in the bag that it came in. The sleeping pad is very compact, fits in your bag easy, so is a pillow, and it's only 18 ounces and an additional 4 ounces approximately for the pillow. Hopefully, that is everything you wanted to know about the Trekker Sleep Combo Pack. If you did have any additional questions, please put them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.